The crime of these birds, these innocent birds, is just answering the call of Onuru Ube Nwanne Baloso. The crime of these birds is just answering the call of a distressed brother, a friend, and a colleague. May our days never be like this. We shall never ever be caught in the snares of our enemies simply for standing up for a brother. We shall always answer the call, the distress call of a brother calling out in the jungle, calling out in the wilderness for help. And may the snares of our enemy never cut us. May we not fall into the ditch dug by our enemies simply because we are answering the call of Onuru Ube Nwanne. It can never be our portion. It shall never be our portion. Our enemies will never see us. Our enemies will never catch us in their ditch. Rather, they will fall into any ditch they dig for us. They will certainly fall into it. This is not our passion. The Igbo man stands by his brother. The Igbo man stands to defend a brother, and that is what we are known for. The story of these innocent birds shall never and will never ever be our passion. It will never. We shall stand beside each other. Onuru Ube Nwanne, Igwe Buike. That is who we are. That is how we stand. That is how we grow. That is how we develop. Onuru Ube Nwanne agaghị agba ọsọ. May our passion never ever be like these birds. Never, never, never.